Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Michael Kors model, Morro-Bay MK2099U in color code 33428G. It's a bone gold color frame. On the temples here we have a gold detailing with a gold Michael Kors logo. This is the inside of the frame. The other side of the temple is the same. The lenses are a blue-gray gradient color. The style of the frame is fashion round. And this frame is RXable. Up here with Michael Kors case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, an authenticity card, and a manufacturer booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.